Hi, my name is Phil. I'm a climber, paddler, skier, and sailor. Over the last 7 years, my girlfriend and I sailed our 45-year-old boat Tanager from Maryland to Panama with a few loops along the way. We recently swallowed the anchor and bought a 2002 Ford E350 with a 7.3 Powerstroke diesel engine. The van has 325,000 miles and no maintenance records. The 7.3 diesel is a legendary engine that can run 1,000,000 miles or more if properly cared for. It has a loyal following and tons of aftermarket support. I realized pretty quickly, though, that most of the information available on this engine is focused on F-Series trucks. I'm going to rehab the van and build it out as a camper over the next several months, and I thought it might be helpful to other folks if I shared some videos of the process. So, if you're already a Powerstroke van owner or thinking about buying one, hit subscribe and leave a comment with any particular topics you'd like to see. Thanks for watching.